What's up, everyone? Chris Madden here. We're looking at our newest asset that we just bought, a wonderful townhouse over in Laflin, PA. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, cared for, but needs some TLC, needs some love. So come on with me. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. So it's got this side entrance, which is really cool. I don't know if you can see it from here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yoop. Yoop. 25? No? Sorry guys, it's a new camera. I'm trying to get used to it. But that's the typical, row house of the townhouse. But ours has the side entrance with some trees and this yard. So it's kind of got a cool feel. You could tell it needs some TLC. You got all this old shingles here that are stained. We need power wash. The shutters are faded, but it's got a really cool vibe. So let's check it out. I'm glad I picked a 5-degree day to do this. This is a great idea. So there it is. 201 Haverford Drive. So as you come in and you can see this gorgeous black rug, but here's these cool tiles, which I personally love, but my partner George vetoed me on it, so we're getting rid of it. But then come check this out. Holy mirrors. Take a look at that. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but there's mirrors on the walls here, but these are actually shades that are mirrors. So watch this. Someone paid a lot of money to have these shades become glass mirrors. I'm sure this was like a super cool place back in the day, but we need to bring it to modern life. You got this cool mural on the wall too. Definitely had some cool vibes back in the day, but it's now dated. So let's come over here. You got a closet. Come check out a powder room. We got this powder room. Cool. You can, let me see if I can, just a sink with toilet, just a little small little powder room. Needs love. Coming to the kitchen, we already started to bring some supplies in, but there's a kitchen area. Got the old kind of dated appliances you can see here. Some decent cabinetry. This kind of wall looks like it might need some love, needs something to draw the attention. But then this is an eating kitchen, so you got the patio doors here, over here. Over here was nothing. We're gonna make it this cool coffee bar area, so wait till you see that. And then you have this gorgeous spot here for your nice table with a lot of natural light. So that's what we got here on the first floor. So we head upstairs. If anyone wants this black rug, drop me a comment below and we'll be sure to get it to you. I personally like it. Give it a good vacuum. Got just another random closet up here. Lots of storage. We're going to do the bathroom first. I know you guys are going to appreciate the bathroom. We got this cool brown linoleum tile looking stuff. The seashell double sink, always a fan. Check out this wallpaper, right? People pay tens of thousands of dollars to wallpaper shit this today, but we are going to tear this out because, yeah, it's something special. And then you got your little green shower, lime, lemon, I don't even know what's going on there with your toilet off of the bathroom. And then I personally love this. As opposed to running down the hallway because the kids stole my towels, you can have your towels and all your health products right here in the bathroom, which is awesome. This is one of the bedrooms. And again, take a look at the gorgeous mirrors. Hey, look, there's me. You got some track lighting. I'm sure this was super cool back in the day. Got the closet. Got the master. This is, again, lots of natural light. One of the things I love about this house, and I think uh, whoever gets it will love it too. Um, you had the cool little lights with the bed there. That was probably nice. Again, track lighting, awesome. I'm sure back in the day, again, this place looked awesome. Tons of closet space. I think you'd call this would be like the main bedroom. Also, take notice of this really cool, like multicolored craft spray paint. We got gold, green, brown. Probably trying to tie in the room. And what else we got here? We got the third bedroom. Plain. This one has nothing. 4 walls. Again, though, you have the two sides with light. Look at the views. Take a look at the views of the mountain out there. This is awesome too because it's maybe a minute or two from the casino, a couple minutes from the Geisinger Health Complex. Like, it's got an awesome location right there off of 315. You got your closet. So this is the second floor. There's a basement that's unfinished. Um, it's got a basement too with a washer dryer. It's unfinished. It's a mess right now, so there's no point in filming that. But yeah, stay tuned. You're going to see a lot of progress. We're looking for um, early spring for this to be ready, and we're going to update you throughout the process. So welcome to 201 Haverford Drive here in Laflin, PA. And if you know anyone that might be interested in this, make sure you share this so they could follow along as we bring this baby back to where it rightfully belongs.